It's that time once again this year, and we're back into Sorrel. So, welcome back to another video, guys. We're gonna go ahead and hop into today's recipe. Quick, simple video, but Christmas drink Sorrel. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to go ahead and do is wash your sorrel, of course, because sometimes it has a little bit of grit and bricks and all type of stuff in it. I'm using the Montego Bay one. And then I'll be making 2 big batches of sorrel. I make a lot of sorrel around Christmas time, guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it in 2 big pots and then fill it up with water. Now I'm gonna add some cloves, cinnamon stick. I ran out of cinnamon sticks, so I'm gonna also add some cinnamon powder. I went ahead and also grated some ginger, which I'm gonna add to this, skin and all. Don't even worry about taking the skin off because of course you're gonna be straining this. I added some pimento seed, stir, let it boil. Now, you don't want this to boil rapidly, guys, at least for me. I'm going to just go ahead and bring mine to a boil, then let it simmer. Typically, I leave my sorrel overnight, but this time I'm going to just go ahead and mix it up. All right, so I went ahead and turned it off. It's been about a couple of hours, and I'm going to go ahead and strain it out. Now, you want to strain this twice, even 3 times. So this is on my 3rd strain, and as you can see, there's still a little bit of stuff to the bottom. You want this to be as smooth as possible. If you have like a cheesecloth or something, you can always run it through the cheesecloth, but totally up to you. I'm just gonna strain it a couple times and then mix. All right, so for the mix, I'm using ginger syrup, sugar, red label wine, Bacardi, and I'm also gonna use a ginger extract. Now I typically use Ray and Nephew. I can't find none of that in Florida, guys. I buy from ABC Wine. I can't find none. But anyways, we can go through. So don't mind the sugar. It's a big batch. So again, adjust to how you're liking. I went ahead and added some sugar, my ginger extract. In each pot, I'm going to add an entire bottle of the red label wine. And then, of course, I'm using an entire bottle of Bacardi. Now you're going to go ahead and mix that up, guys. And then once you're done, the longer it sits in the fridge, the stronger it gets. I have sorrel in my fridge from last year, so that's going to be used up. This batch is going to go in the fridge, then go into the freezer. But yeah, this is it, guys. I went ahead and bottled all my sorrel up, and it's quick, simple, easy, but this is the best Caribbean drink. And I think almost every Caribbean household have this around Christmas time. Some may have a lot more rum, some may have a lot less. But if you have Ray and his nephew, go ahead and add that. That is the official drink, the official alcohol for me for sorrel. But like I said, I couldn't find any of that. So Bacardi it is. But again, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.